What if we were bees, subordinate to a hive and a queen, and we gathered nectar, and we turned our lives into honey, sweetened our rivers, the air? Success is assured. What if I worked in the confidence of success, believed my ragged draft already in the hands of its reader, just a matter of me catching up?
Cosmic Bowling is a collaboration between a poet and a sculptor who in turn are each of us collaborating with the ancient Chinese text, the I Ching.
In high summer, the island, like a Christo installation, gets wrapped in a running fence of feeling. Luminous, the Pleiades crests the sky in a tidal radius of 43 light years. Christo said it takes courage to create things, to be gone. Each warm night's an endless party. We fall asleep in jumbled heaps on our island under stars.
The I Ching contains 64 hexagrams, which you might think of as archetypal human situations. Cornelia has written 64 six-line poems in response to these, and I've created 64 sculptural figures which explore the meaning of each of these hexagrams.
Lowliness, a quality of the earth, is the reason my garlic patch is favored in this hexagram. Each unassuming clove reminds the bulb of its papery beginning, a modesty that elevates a plant above a great mountain. See below. Likewise, sun at its zenith is a moment of fullness, but also one of decline. They are the same moment.
Cosmic Bowling contains an essay. Part of the essay is concerned with the history of the I Ching, how it evolved. It has 3 founding fathers: King Wen, whose philosophy I summarize as sometimes there is nothing you can do; Confucius, whose philosophy I've summarized as it's not all about you; and Lao Tzu, whose statement would be, this too shall pass. This could have been written in 2020. This is a description of the time that we're living in, and another example of the uncanny power of this ancient Chinese text.
Don't throw yourself away on the world, but wait. I meet myself every day in these hexagrams, my impatience, my striving. I wake early and write in bed. My sleeping husband, my dog. More and more I feel ripples of tenderness toward me and my efforts to find balance. At birth, we're turned loose in a moving field. Fancy footwork, endless adjustments as we position and reposition ourselves. This belonging to a group, this flock movement that so engages. Pretending to be students.
Cornelia and I have benefited from the many generations of artists whose work has enriched Hornby Island and the Salish Sea. So we need to thank the island itself for giving us the space and solitude necessary for this extended collaboration. We gratefully acknowledge the Puntledge and Comox peoples on whose unceded territory we work and live. We'd like to thank Michael Morola of Guernica Editions for producing such a fine book.